I opened Little Dwellings when my second child, Harry, was only 6 weeks old. I've created some amazing spaces throughout this time, from nurseries to playrooms to even adult and family environment. And I've worked with incredible people throughout that journey. This is my grandparents' home. Within these walls are my childhood memories, and to be able to bring my own children up in this home is really special. When I first walked into Doors Plus, I had my eye on French doors. I do love the look of French doors, and I just love the way that they do offer that open plan living. However, when I did go into Doors Plus, they showed me through their whole range, and I fell in love with their bifold doors. So we also installed a door in our laundry, which backs onto the kids' playroom. It was quite dark in that space. This internal Venetian door allows sunlight to come in if I choose it to, or I can block it out if I want to have that privacy. Practicality is number one as a busy mum. You want something that you're not going to have to constantly be working at. You want something that's just functional and easy for everyday life. And something that obviously looks nice as well. You can never go wrong there. The favourite part of the new install would have to be the flexibility to open them right up. It just creates a whole new environment. Other places offered that, you know, I had to find a painter, or I had to find someone to deliver the product, or I had to get somebody else external to install the product. What I loved about Doors Plus, it was all done for me. Installation was very professional. They were on time and they were tidy. To find a tradesman that is tidy is a bonus. They came, they measured, they installed it, fuss-free, easy.